Hi guys, this is Juliane with vlog 21, episode number 9. Yesterday was May the 4th, um, and what did I do? I made lemonade, yes, exactly. So, life gave me lemons and I made lemonade. So, yesterday, you might have noticed that I put up a video number 8 this morning because yesterday the upload was impossible. I could just not upload it, it didn't work. So I could have actually gotten really angry or upset about the situation, but I preferred not to. I said, okay, well, stay calm and stay quiet. The situation you cannot change, so just stay calm and in control, in charge of your own self. So I thought that I had this coin. I got this coin. It's a very nice little coin here, and I got this coin for the program that I finished. It's called Thinking into Results by the Proctor Gallagher Institute, a company dedicated to human growth and personal growth, personal development, and human potential. And this side of the coin, it has two sides, and this side says, I don't know if you can see it, um, react and lose control. So that means this side is also quite rough. It's like life. When life gets tough and the situation is not working out, then life gets tough. And this is the rough side of the coin. And so, like applying this to what happened yesterday. If I had reacted in that situation and I would have gotten really angry about it and like, why can I not upload? And I have to upload. Well, then I would have reacted and the situation would have taken over me. But I took over the situation and I said, well, situation, you're not gonna take over me. I stay in charge of my own self. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna be calm, and yeah, I'm gonna do just something else. And then eventually, at some point, the upload is gonna work out. So there's the other side, and that's exactly what I applied. What I just said, I prefer to stick with the smooth side, and it's like in life as well. If you stay with the flow, like a river, it's you go with the flow and you go with the river, and then everything is much easier. And that side states, I don't know if it's gonna get on focus. Okay, yeah, respond and you are in control. So yeah, I responded to the situation yesterday, and by remaining calm and quiet and relaxed, I did not react, and I just responded. And yeah, that's good advice. And we always have the choice in life to either respond or to react to a situation. There will always be trouble somewhere, maybe in a relationship, or maybe at work, or in your family. But we always have the option and the choice to either react or respond to that situation. So if you have any questions or comments for me, just let me know here on my YouTube channel or on Facebook. And tomorrow I'm going to be out with vlog number 10. So I wish you a happy afternoon, guys, and see you tomorrow. Mwah. Bye.